Gracias. Grazie, Massimo. Sì, grazie. Alright, yeah, I'll sit here, that's fine. Okay.
Enseguida le traen la carta de comida, ¿ya?
Sì, grazie. Alright, that's Maximo, guys. Reminds me of film Gladiator. Buenas.
Y en la pizarra especial, ¿sí?
Okay, grazie. Okay, guys, this is Lima, Peru. The food, amazing. This place is called Isolina. The menu. So we ordered a concita alla cialacca for 48 sol, and here it is here, look. Amazing. I don't know what it is actually, I'll probably explain it. Ingredients, but yeah, I'll go here, I'm gonna really enjoy it, okay? Alright guys, why not? Let's eat together here for 1 second. Taste the first taste, you can see my reaction. So what is it that you say?
Mussel.
Mussel. I love mussel, guys.
Looks amazing.
Ready? Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys. Alright, so it's mussels and onions, looks red, whatever, look. Alright. A bit of lime, you know. Oh my god, I haven't tasted yet, but from the reactions I'm seeing, this is pleasure in your mouth, guys.
Yeah.
Why?
Food orgasm.
Food orgasm, did you hear that? Oh my god. This is exciting me right now. Oh, it's amazing. Wow, guys, this is delicious. This is absolutely delicious. Do I say delicious again? This is absolutely delicious. Fucking delicious. What is it?
No, there is no bad food in Peru.
No, really not.
Just
This is like corn, yeah?
Yeah, I would say yeah.
Some type of corn, guys, you know? So mussel, yeah, fine diced red onion, is it? That tomato also, yeah? Little diced tomato.
A bit of parsley.
Parsley, lime.
And a bit of chili.
And chili, yeah. Oh wow, this is really nice, huh?
Yeah, beautiful.
That's why, guys, food is the most important part of nearly all our lives, so I'm actually gonna start separating it a bit in the videos, I think, because it deserves its own space, right?
Yes.
Mm.
And we are what we eat.
We are what we eat, exactly. Oh my god, amazing. When you share food with beautiful, amazing people, it's even better, guys. It tastes better, you know? Truly does. Okay, now I'm gonna finish displaying. There's not much point you keep seeing me eating. I think that was my first expression. Let's see how.
See?
Alright. See. Okay, this we ordered was a papa di Elena con hartogliereno, see? There you go, spice. So, potato, whatever it is. 1 second. That's it. Alright, so food number 2, as we said, the papa rellena con asto lereno. Let's give it a taste, guys. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, how do we approach this? I'm like... I turned on the thing again, but it's fine. Yeah. No.
I don't know, no?
Yeah. Look at this. Eat good, drink good, and do everything else good, guys. What's this, by the way, though? It's a bean. Wow, what size is this bean?
I don't know. That's an olive.
No. We'll taste it in a minute. It's like mashed potato, by the way. There's that beef inside, yeah? A bit of beef. Huh? What? Oh my god, these expressions are like, you know?
It's so good.
Oh yeah. So as an half Irish person, guys, any dish with a potato is really important for me, and yeah, this also tops it there.
It's basically beef, I think also in a red wine sauce.
Yeah, that's this. It's an olive. Olives in it as well. Interesting. There's also a bone, by the way, so be careful. There's a bone in it. Wow, guys, this is amazing. Oh wow, what a nice olive. Oh, and the sauce. What's the sauce taste like?
Kind of a mayo.
Mayo, yeah, some sort of, and then a bit of onions and pepper here. Cheers. Cheers and cheers. Okay guys, now that's it for now. We've seen a bit. Look again. Now it's time to just enjoy food, and yeah, I hope you appreciate me sharing these experiences, traveling with you, food, culture, people, everything else, you know. So if you do, in return, if you'd like to just press the like button, subscribe, and you know, follow my whatever, you know, social media, and then yes, let's travel together. Let's engage, by the way, guys. Keep engaging. Recommend me places where I can travel, or you know, why not? Or if you seek advice, just comment, and you know, I will reply, and let's do it, guys, you know. But now, for now, I'm gonna really enjoy this and enjoy my company and enjoy food and drink. Ciao.